laughing. Oh my God, you didn't laugh. I'm gonna start crying. You have no idea. I just got this car a month ago. This is my first brand new car. I'm 28 years old. I'm a chef. I studied in culinary arts and I worked my ass off. And I've never bought myself nothing brand new. And my dad kept encouraging me. My dad was like, buy something, you deserve it. I'm his oldest daughter. He's like, buy something, you deserve it, buy it, buy it. And boom, I bought it. He's a fucking idiot. Slammed my door. Thank you, man, you work miracles.